Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can automatically share filtered Typeform entries on Twitter. So guys, if you are a Typeform user and you want to share some filtered responses of Typeform like customer feedbacks or reviews on your Twitter automatically, this video is for you. So stay tuned and let's get started. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here, you can sign up for free, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now, and after that, you have to sign in, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And from here, guys, you have to click on this Create Workflow button to set up the workflow. And here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here. So I have given the name here as Typeform to Twitter integration. So after filling the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready. All right. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up the automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action would be the response or automated consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, filling of Typeform will act as a trigger to this workflow, and the action would be to share some filtered responses on Twitter as a tweet. Okay. So here, guys, in the trigger section, it is asking to choose the application. So here we are going to choose Typeform. Okay. So if you're using any other form builder, you can also search for it like Jotform or Google Forms. All right. And after that, you have to select the trigger event as new entry. Then click on connect. And from here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Typeform. All right. So you can see it is asking to choose your account. And from here, you have to click on accept to provide the access to your Typeform. Just click on accept and you will be connected with Typeform. Okay, so the authorization is successful. We are connected, and here it is asking to select the form that you are using to collect anything. So actually I am using a form to collect reviews from my customers. Okay, so the name of my form is product review form. This is my form named as product review form template. Okay, so I'm going to select this from here like this, and then click on save and send test request, and it will start waiting for the connections response. Okay, so this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to manually fill the form with some sample details or test details, and the submission details will be captured here in this response section, and with the help of those details we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so here is my form. You can see review your recent experience. So here I am clicking on let's do it, and this is asking for the ratings. So here I am providing 5-star rating. Okay, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? So I'm putting here 8 points, and in the additional thought section I am going to just type very useful product. Okay, and here I am clicking on submit, and you can see the form has been submitted. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this submission. And here you can see in this response section we got the data captured, and here it is showing the details, the questions that we have asked, and we got the responses also. You can see this is the additional thought I have written, very useful product. Okay, and here it is showing the number. So this is the recommendation score that I have added, 8 points. Okay, and here is the rating, 5. Okay, so guys, now I want that whenever I got 5-star ratings or more than 4-star ratings on my product and the recommendation score more than 6, I want to share these things on my Twitter as the good feedback from our customers. Okay, so I'm going to filter this thing out from the response. Okay, I do not want to share bad feedbacks. I only want to share good feedbacks in which we got star ratings more than 4 and recommendation score more than 6. For that, we are going to apply a filter here. So in this action step, choose filter by Pabbly. Here is filter. And then it will ask to select the label according to which you want to filter out. So I want to filter out according to the ratings label and the recommendation score label. So for that, first of all, you just have to click here and the trigger step will appear in the drop down. So from here, first of all, I'm going to select the rating label. Okay. So you just have to scroll down here and you will find the ratings here. This is the rating label. Let me show you. Here you can see where it is showing 5. Just map it. And in the filter type, I'm going to select greater than option. Greater than. And here I'm going to put the value as 3. Okay. So this means whenever I got the ratings greater than 3, that means star rating 4 or 5, then only I want to share the feedbacks. Okay. And another condition is that when the recommendation score is greater than 6, for that I am going to add a AND logic condition here. So you can see we can apply both AND logic condition or OR logic condition. Okay. So when you apply AND condition, both the conditions should be true, then only the workflow will continue. And with OR condition, any one of the conditions can be true and the workflow will continue. Okay. Here I'm applying AND condition here. And here it is asking to select the label again. Now this time I'm going to select the label of the recommendation score that we have received. So you will see the recommendation score here. Here it is. It is showing 8. Select this. Then select the filter type greater than. And here I'm going to put 6. So whenever the recommendation score is greater than 6 and the star rating greater than 3, then only the workflow will continue. So click on save and send test request. And here it will show the condition is true. Okay. Because this condition is actually true according to our response that we have fetched. Okay. And when this condition is true, what we want to share the feedback on Twitter. So for that, I have clicked here on this plus icon to open another action step. And here I'm going to connect with Twitter. Okay. And here in the action event, select create tweet option. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. And then click on connect with Twitter. Alright, so from this window, you have to authorize the account that you're using on Twitter. Click on authorize app. Okay, and you can see we are getting connected. Right? And here it is asking which message that you want to share. So I want to share the response. So here I am typing the message as new feedback received from our customer. Okay, and here I'm going to put ratings, star ratings. And after star ratings, I'm going to map the ratings that we got from Typeform. So in Typeform, you will find the ratings label here like this, the numbers label, just map it. And also, I'm going to map the question that I have asked. And the question I have asked is this: how likely are you recommend? So I'm mapping the question. Then I'm going to put the answer. Answer / recommendation score. You can type anything. And here I'm going to map the score that we have received from the form submission. Okay. And if you want to share additional thoughts, you can map that also. Right now, I'm just sharing these two things. Okay. Now let's check our connection with our Twitter account. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and this tweet will be shared here on my Twitter handle. This is the Twitter handle we are using. Let me just click on save and send test request button. This is the response we have received. Let me show you on Twitter. Here, let me refresh the profile section. And here you can see we got a new tweet created. New feedback received from a customer, star rating 5. How likely are you going to recommend to friend or family? The score is 8. This is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, it is going to run automatically whenever you are going to receive a form submission via Typeform. Okay. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.